The Data Gap: Unmasking the True Bias in Algorithmic Decision-Making in America. People trust technology to be fair. They believe computers don't lie, algorithms don't discriminate, and data doesn't judge. But behind the polished apps and glowing screens, a hidden truth is emerging. Algorithms don't erase bias, they repeat it at scale. This is the story of how the future went wrong, and how one woman forced it to change. The high-tech city of Nova Haven. Our story takes place in Nova Haven, a fictional American tech powerhouse inspired by San Francisco, Seattle, Austin, and New York City. It was the first major U.S. city to run nearly everything through artificial intelligence: job screenings, school admissions, police patrol routes, housing approvals, healthcare triage, government benefits. Politicians called it the future of fairness. But for many Americans, Nova Haven felt like a digital wall built between opportunity and reality. The woman who saw the truth, Dr. Riley Monroe, a mixed-race data scientist raised in Detroit, had spent her career studying algorithmic fairness. She believed in AI deeply, but she also understood one painful truth. If American society is biased, the data collected from it is too. When Nova Haven launched its new master algorithm, Echo, Riley joined the oversight team to ensure fairness. But on her first review, she noticed something troubling. Very troubling. Red flag 1. The rejected scholarship. A student from Baltimore, Naomi Carter, applied for a prestigious STEM scholarship. Echo instantly rejected her. Why? Because her zip code, an underfunded, historically redland community, was labeled low opportunity in the system's dataset. Her talent didn't matter. Her potential didn't matter. Her neighborhood decided her future. Red flag 2. Police bias reborn. Across town, police drones guided by Echo's predictive crime algorithm kept circling majority Black and Latino neighborhoods. Not because of present crime, but because the training data was built from decades of over-policing. Entire communities were reliving history, coded into software they never consented to. Red flag 3. The emergency that should have been prevented. One night, a single dad named Carlos Mendoza rushed his asthmatic son to the ER. Echo placed him as non-urgent because he lacked extensive medical history. English wasn't his first language. His neighborhood hospital had historically lower emergency stats. Carlos' son waited and waited. By the time a human nurse intervened, tragedy struck. When asked what happened, the hospital said, "The algorithm followed protocol." For Riley, that was the breaking point. The movement begins. Hashtag the Data Gap USA. Riley stepped forward. She exposed how Echo was making decisions using decades of US inequalities, redlining maps, biased arrest records, underfunded school statistics, skewed health data, income-based zip code profiling, credit histories shaped by systemic racism. Her report went viral. Young activists, civil rights groups, teachers, tech workers, and everyday citizens joined her. Together they launched hashtag the Data Gap USA, a movement to expose digital discrimination. People shared videos of being denied apartments because of their last name, being rejected for jobs by screening algorithms trained mostly on white male applicants, hospital AI undervaluing symptoms in women and Black patients, loan algorithms penalizing certain zip codes regardless of income. For the first time, Americans saw the pattern. The algorithm wasn't biased. The data was. When Congress took notice, the movement grew so large that lawmakers demanded a national hearing. Riley was invited to testify before Congress. She walked in holding a stack of maps. Not just zoning maps or police maps, but algorithm training maps. She laid them out and said, "The algorithms aren't racist or sexist. The data we feed them is built on decades of American bias. Tech didn't create discrimination, it automated it." The room fell silent. Every American watching understood something new. Data was not neutral, it was historical. It came from people, and people are flawed. A new American framework for fair AI. Under nationwide pressure, Nova Haven reformed its systems, and the reform spread across the U.S. Mandatory bias audits, transparent AI decision-making, Civil rights protections for algorithmic decisions. Inclusive datasets. Humans required in all life-changing decisions. Community oversight boards. ECHO was rebuilt, not to judge citizens, but to serve them. The first student admitted under the new rules. Naomi Carter. Carlos Mendoza's story became the foundation of a new healthcare policy. Predictive policing was overhauled nationwide, and Riley Monroe became one of the leading voices for ethical AI in America, not because she was the smartest, but because she was the one who refused to look away. The message for America, in the end, the country learn. Algorithms don't decide humanity. Humans decide what algorithms learn. If America wants a just digital future, must fix the past that lives inside its data. Because when the data is unequal, the decisions become injustice. And when the decisions become injustice, the victims aren't just numbers. They're your neighbors, your children, your community. This is how America uncovered the truth behind the data gap, and how one woman helped the nation reclaim fairness in a world ruled by code. Thanks for watching. If you like stories like this, please give this video a like and subscribe for more.